Hey everyone, this is Sakshi and you're watching my YouTube channel. So today we are going to talk about the book Lean In, Women, Work and the Will to Lead, which is written by Sheryl Sandberg. Sheryl Sandberg is an American business executive and a billionaire and also a philanthropist. She serves as a chief operating officer at Facebook and she is the founder of leanin.org. leanin.org एक ऐसी नॉन प्रॉफिट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है जो कि हेल्प करती है और सपोर्ट करती है वुमेन को टू अचीव देयर गोल एंड टू अचीव देयर ड्रीम. So in this book, Sheryl has shared her experiences about why women are not making at the top of anything anywhere in the world and why women are resisting and hesitating to be becoming a leader and why we have a very few leaders in the world. So in this book, she had shared how she managed her workplace along with her personal fulfillment and how she manages both, and how a woman can achieve both the success and also to enjoy the personal fulfillment. So let's get started. Sheryl wants to ask everyone this question, that what would you do if you are not afraid? Women have a fear of many things. They have a fear of not being liked by others. They have a fear of making wrong choices and have a fear of failure. So what would you have done or what would you do if you are not afraid of anything? If women are not afraid of anything, she can pursue her professional career and also enjoy the personal fulfillment. So the first point she talked about, sit at the table. Women often underestimate their values and their capabilities. They think their work is not that much better than it actually is, while men, they consider their work very much better than it actually is. अगर एक मैन से उसके सक्सेस के बारे में पूछा जाए तो वो खुद को डेडिकेट करेगा कि बिकॉज आई एम कैपेबल ऑफ दैट और आई हैव दैट skills and talents. But the same question if asked to a woman, she would just say कि because I got supported by someone, or she would just dedicate to external factors, that because someone supported me or because I got lucky. The problem is that women don't raise their hand to grab the opportunities and to put up the questions, or if she can put the questions, so maybe she would be let down by others, or maybe she would just put her hand down by seeing other men raising their hand. So she want to say that women should sit at the table, not sit at the corner of a room. She should sit at the table and she need to raise their hand to grab the opportunities. Second, success and likability. जब एक man successful होता है तो उसे सब पसंद करते हैं. He would be liked and praised by everyone. But when a woman is ambitious and when she is successful, she would not be liked by everyone, not liked by other men and women. This is really unsurprising and shocking because this is what really we do. एंड इफ़ अगर कोई वुमेन जो है वो अपने काम पे ज़्यादा फोकस करती है, शी इज़ हाईली कॉम्पिटेंट एंड शी इज़ डूइंग हर जॉब rather than on pleasing others, so she is acting like a man. And if a woman is acting like a man, she would not be liked by everyone. But the fact is that whatever you will do, you won't be liked by everyone. So rather than on pleasing others, you have to focus your own work and you have to value yourself, your capabilities and value your skills. If you are being liked by everyone, that means that you are not making any progress and you are not growing. Third, don't leave before you live. Women things are way too earlier rather than something happen. शेरिल एक एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करती है जहाँ पे एक यंग वुमेन उनसे पूछती है कि हाउ शी कैन बैलेंस हर वर्क एंड हर फैमिली. सो शेरिल को लगता है कि मे बी शी हैड सम अर्जेंसी और मे बी शी इज़ प्रेगनेंट, but later on she found that she is not even married, and guess what, she doesn't have even a boyfriend. So जो चीज़ अभी हुई भी नहीं है उसके बारे में अभी से ही सोच के अभी जो अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ मिल रही हैं उसको मिस करना इज़ लाइक कम्प्लीटली अ वेस्ट. एंड व्हाट वुमेन डू इज़ लाइक जो चीज़ हुई भी नहीं है उसके बारे में वो अभी से ही सोचती है और अभी से ही अपनी अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ को मिस करती है. एंड अगर उनके पास कोई रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ आती भी है या कोई अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ उन्हें मिलती भी है तो वो उसे जाने देगी, बिकॉज शी हैड थॉट दैट शी हैड टू बैलेंस हर फैमिली एंड to balance her career also. So what Sheryl want to say is that you don't have to think so earlier than actually that thing is happening. You should not leave before you leave. You have to lean in until the very end, until the urgency came or the child arrives. एंड डोंट वेट फॉर द परफेक्ट टाइमिंग. जो परफेक्ट टाइमिंग, आइडियल टाइमिंग, वो कभी भी नहीं आने वाला. तो सिर्फ ये सोच के कि कोई टाइमिंग, आइडियल टाइमिंग मेरे पास आएगी एंड opportunities को मिस करना is totally a waste. Don't let go the opportunities. Lean in till the very end until the urgency came. Fourth, make your partner a real partner. If a woman must be empowered at workplace, men must be empowered at home. Making your partner a real partner, it means that involve him in sharing household works and taking care of baby, because this is the responsibility of both the partner to upbring the child. सो लेट हिम डू द थिंग्स इन हिज ओन वे. अगर वो कुछ करने की कोशिश कर रहा है तो डीमोटिवेट मत करो कि ये चीज़ ऐसे नहीं ऐसे होगा. इंस्टेड मोटिवेट करो कि येस यू कैन डू इट एंड प्रिटी सून ही विल अचीव दैट बाय डूइंग प्रैक्टिसिंग. बट इफ़ यू विल कंट्रोल एंड इंटरफेयर इन वर्क, देन he would just let go that work and he would just think that why will I do this work if she knows better than me. So don't discourage your partner. Instead, encourage him and let him do the things in his own way. So if you want your partner, a true partner, you have to treat him as equally as you are and as capable as you are. अगर आप काम अच्छे से कर सकते हो तो पार्टनर को भी ऐसा फील कराओ that he can also do this and he can also achieve that. So these are these points and these are the things from the book Lean In, written by Sheryl Sandberg. So these are some experiences she shared with us and the things why women are not making at the top of anything, and how women can be better at workplace, and also how she can enjoy the personal fulfillment along with her career. If you want to read and listen the summaries of books, Story Short is for you, where you can find so many books you can read, share, download and listen the summaries. Go and check the link in my description. So that's all about it today's videos. If you have any suggestion over anything, just let me know in the comment box, and also tell me if you want a detailed video on any topic. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe, and I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep smiling and keep growing. Bye bye.